Bold colors, layered textures, and whimsical details create a joyful, elevated home. With a new family room and expanded kitchen, the design blends vibrant style with the home's original flow and charm. In the foyer, a hand-painted stencil design on the floors and stair treads adds a unique touch. The dining room was designed as a garden oasis, with chairs upholstered in a floral fabric and matching window treatments. The kitchen boasts a custom brass hood and peachy cabinetry, complemented by custom herringbone pattern panels. Charlotte Lucas Interior Design undertook a significant project, this transforming a 1970s Georgian home into a vibrant and functional space for empty nesters. The homeowners desired an older home with character that could be made their own, leading to a down-to-the-studs renovation and addition. Collaborating with Carter Skinner Residential Design and Liggett Design Group, the project focused on creating larger, open spaces. It also meticulously preserved the home's original charm. Charlotte Lucas's signature style, characterized by a bold use of color, whimsical details, and layered textures, is evident throughout the residence. She incorporated an array of colorful and elevated details, along with one-of-a-kind pieces, to reflect the client's joyful outlook on life. The renovation included adding a family room and expanding the kitchen. All of this was done while maintaining the original flow of formal living and dining rooms in the front and casual spaces in the rear. Notable features within the Raleigh, North Carolina residence include lacquered walls and trim paired with playful wallpaper, especially on the ceiling in the mudroom.